Andrew's about to drive a Japanese train.
Yeah. Another day in the office.
You tap the screen to get to the menu.
Yes.
I say just pick one.
The red one. The red
Oh,
one.
hell yeah.
Why not? 2 credits.
Probably stage, yep.
Sure.
Go ahead.
Just go ahead.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a different woman.
I reckon.
Yeah, me too, I guess.
I reckon. What's this button do?
Yes.
You need to have it push in order to like move it.
Need help with an arcade cabinet.
How do you blow the horn?
Oh, damn, that's a good question.
Really good question.
That's like the most important part.
We're loading in.
I want to drive. Yes.
Still loading.
It's loaded. Volume.
It'll load in eventually. It's a very high resolution game if you didn't notice.
Yes.
It's gotta rip all those tracks.
Yeah, me too.
Alright. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
I speak this language.
Oh, there's like a thing down here.
Look out for
Oh, these are tips.
Look out
this
for
is
workers.
To scroll through the tips.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, there's your path on the left.
Okay.
I don't know what this is.
Shout out to this guy.
Yeah. Oh, I love that man.
It's 11:08 in the morning.
You're going from Shingumei to Kanayama. Hell yeah, brother.
All right.
Alright. Buttons.
You're,
The windshield wiper.
Is that actually? Oh, yeah. Alright.
Up. Your passengers are getting on.
Yep, so don't do anything yet. When you look, you can see them getting on from the right. Do you have to open the? Do you have to open the doors?
Oh, hell yeah. Doors are closing.
There we go.
Let's go.
What'd you make it pull? Pull the other
Oh, you
way?
need to pull it down in order to go.
Here we go.
It's kind of the opposite of what you'd think it is.
So your speed limit is 65 kilometers per hour.
I can hit that. I can hit that.
Once you get up to 65, you don't want to go any faster.
Yeah, you want to even it out.
Oh, this is awesome.
Lay up a little in the accelerator. You want to stay towards the middle if you can. I don't know what this is.
Oh, that was a speed check, I think. Hit your horn. Don't let him challenge you.
We lost points.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're game for time.
We're gaming. There's a blimp.
Oh, there is. Look at that.
Guys, I'm imagine.
We gotta get a clean landing.
Otherwise, your boss will like kill you or something.
Alright, I get it.
Here we go, here we go. Slow it down. This is it. This is where we gotta stop. Slow it down.
I'm slowing it down.
Here